Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Android. Today, in this video, we will take a look at the OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro went on sale for the first time after the launch in April. We managed to get the top of the line OnePlus 8 Pro with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage during the first sale. We got the ultramarine blue variant here, but the device also comes in black and green color options. Let's start the unboxing now. First up, we get the OnePlus 8 Pro itself. Let's keep the phone aside for the time being. You also get a silicone case with the box itself with never settle text on it. The ultramarine blue variant has the matte finish on the back and it is an absolute beauty. The reflections look good when the light hits the back of the phone. Let's power on the phone and quickly complete the initial setup. The setup is just easy and same, just like any other smartphone. Now let's take a look at the other box contents. First up we get the OnePlus 8 Pro itself, 30-watt warp charger adapter and Type-C cable, red cable club card, other documents and some cool OnePlus stickers. Let's take a look at the phone software version. As you can see, the device is running on the Android 10 operating system with Oxygen OS. OnePlus has also announced Android 11 beta program. In case you are interested, you can try it out. Let's see if we have got any software update. There is one update with 171 MB which has a lot of bug fixes and improvements. They have added Fortnite in game space and also the new video codec support. Now, let's jump into the camera and check what all the different modes we get in the default OnePlus camera app. We can see three different filter modes: matte, vivid and black and white. The 8 Pro comes with the color filter camera disabled out of the box in India and the company will bring back this feature in the near future with some enhancements. Coming back to the home screen, we get the near stock Android experience here with OnePlus Launcher. Swiping right will take to the Google Discover feed now instead of the shelf. Also, we can notice that the device comes with a few apps like Facebook, Instagram and Messenger, but you can uninstall them in case you don't use it. The animations are smooth and snappy on 120Hz and there are lots of customizations in the settings of the phone. Let me register my fingerprint scanner and check the speed. Setting up takes a few seconds and it will ask you to position the fingerprint in all possible ways. Now let's unlock the phone and see. As you can see, it works pretty much fast and the interaction is seamless. In case you missed it, here are the specifications of the device. It features the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G support. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. You get 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus display with 120Hz of refresh rate. On the rear, you get a 48 megapixel quad rear camera array with an ultra-wide shooter, a telephoto lens and a color filter camera. Over the front, you get a 16 megapixel punch hole camera. Powering the device is 4510 mAh of battery with 30-watt wired and wireless warp charging. It runs on Oxygen OS based Android 10 and the device is certified with IP68 dust and water resistance. Let's take a look at the display settings now. You can set the refresh rate to 60 or 120 Hz, but there is no option to set for 90 Hz. The resolution can be set to Quad HD Plus and Full HD Plus. The display is curved on both the sides which also doubles up as notification light. You might not able to see the difference in the video, but the scrolling experience is really smooth when the refresh rate is set at 120 Hz. Now let's fire up the camera and take a look at the different modes we get here. You get the as usual photo, portrait, pro mode, panorama, video and nightscape option here. Overall, the device looks gorgeous and gives you a premium experience. OnePlus 8 Pro has quad rear camera setup with 48 megapixel primary camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 5MP color filter lens and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens along with dual LED flash on the back. Let's quickly take a look at some of the camera samples. The camera sometimes struggles to focus on objects for close-up shots. The image details are really good with accurate and natural colors. Even the portraits, the highlights and shadows are balanced along with skin tones. The 48 megapixel wide-angle camera performs extremely well and captures a good amount of details. Coming to the portrait mode, OnePlus has improved their image processing capabilities and you can get a natural image with a smooth bokeh effect. The edge detection is accurate and the skin tones are perfect. Even when you zoom in, the quality is retained thanks to the 48 megapixel sensor. You can take a quick look of how the three different images perform in the same scenario. We personally like the wide angle image and it has natural blues in the sky whereas the natural image slides oversaturated. With the 3x optical zoom, you get pretty amount of details in the image and dynamic range is still good. The 30x shot ruins the quality of the image and it's bad. The 16 megapixel front facing camera takes some good selfies but slightly smoothens the skin even with face retouching is off. The 48 megapixel primary camera takes stunning images and you can see the amount of details which you can find even when you zoom in and the colors are accurate. Although the phone doesn't has dedicated macro lens, the outcome of image is excellent from the camera. OnePlus 8 Pro has the ability to shoot slow-mo videos at 960 frames per second and the video quality is stunning. OnePlus recently announced that the OnePlus 8 series supports 90 frames per second gameplay on Fortnite and we tried that as well with the graphics quality set to extreme. Although the gameplay is very smooth, we saw that the frame rate is not consistent and it drops often. On an average, we can get consistent frame rate only up to 75 FPS. OnePlus 8 Pro supports 5G and as of now the 5G can be enabled only on SIM1. The phone charges from 0 to 100 in almost an hour and it also supports wireless and reverse wireless charging. As the phone doesn't have notification LED, you can enable the horizon glow on the edges of the screen. The animation around the selfie camera looks nice when you switch the cameras. OnePlus has finally nailed it in all aspects and they have delivered a complete flagship package. The display is A+ and it's the best display on any smartphone, just how OnePlus claimed it. The phone is very fast and smooth and the operating system is good with lots of cool customizations. Subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content and make sure to follow our blog mrandroid.in. Thanks for watching. This is Sumukh signing off for the moment.